Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show you in this video step by step how you can fix a GameSir G7 not turning off. So guys, let's dive in on this video. This is the control guys, and to fix GameSir G7 not turning off, all you have to do, follow me in this video. Important guys, ensure your ESP ports plug in the control and works, and faulty cables, try using a different ESP type C cable to see if you have faulty cables, and you have USB port. If your USB port get too dirty, can interfere with connection and get small object like toothpick and scrape. And I found this solution guys. If the control isn't connection to the Xbox, all you have to do, try to hard resetting the console itself to hold the power button on your Xbox for 10 and 12 11 seconds, 12 seconds, then turn your Xbox back, and same issue when you just stop working, and this is fixed it. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video if anyone comes in.